Hi class, my name is Instructor Fran and I want to welcome you to English 100 Critical Reading and Composition. For most students here, this is the first English course that they're going to take at University of Phoenix. I want to reassure you that no matter if you're feeling excited or worried, that we're going to meet you where you are to help you improve as a writer. I have three main tips to help you for this class. Number one, every day that you log on to class, make sure you check up here in this top right-hand corner, this little envelope, to see if you have any messages from me. It's really important because this is how I communicate with you if there's any tips or problems or anything that I need to get a message to you about for the class. The second thing I want you to do is to be on the lookout for videos throughout the course content, primarily in the assignment directions, but also even in one of the discussion directions for week 3. When I make a video, it's because there tends to be a little bit of confusion or I need to clarify some points to help you do your best in the assignment. Finally, my third tip for you is to make sure that you ask questions. Please don't be embarrassed. I'm here to help, so I am eager to answer any question that you might have. I look forward to working with you this term, and let's get writing.